Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Joey back in the video. Today's video, we're going to be doing a cabin filter on a 2009 Kia Spectra that I just picked up yesterday. Within the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing some other stuff to it, so you'll stay tuned for that. Update on the new Edge coming this week. Got a good ass update coming for you on that one. And let's get right in this video and show you how to install it. I haven't got a new one yet. I had to order one yesterday. So once I get it, I'll be putting it in. I'm not going to show you that, but I'm just showing you how to pull it out, replace it, spray it off, whatever you want to do. This one just happened to be really bad, and I could tell by the airflow not blowing so hard. So if you're having problems with on any car, if it ain't blowing so hard, maybe it could be your blower motor, or it could be cabin filter having a bunch of shit in there. Who knows? We're going to find out in this video right here on why this one ain't blowing, whether I need a new blower motor, or what's going on. Maybe it's weak. Maybe there's a shit ton of stuff in there. So we can get right in this video and find out. First thing we're gonna do, glove box. Got a bunch of junk in it. These things are gonna be in here like this. Just gonna push it up, twist them out. You're gonna have the cable. I just put a new terminal on the battery, so it's running. Pop that cable out. And there it is. I just got the car today, so I'm gonna replace some stuff. Let's see how bad she is. Oh yeah. Damn, look inside there. Look at all that junk. Damn. Probably why it smells so bad when I turn the AC and shit on. Damn rat nest. Alright, that's all cleaned out now. That shit's terrible, ain't it? Damn. Alright, then this is held in by two tabs here. New one in, put it back in. Sprayed mine out for now until I get to the store. We'll see how it goes back in. Push it in. Push it out of those two tabs. You should get the wrap snatched out of there. Turn that on real quick. Let's see. There's some stuff in the airbox itself. I might want to get it out real quick. Damn receipt. Blow it out. Come here. And I think I got it. There it is. Receipt. Alright. Put this thing back in. Push it in like that. Clicks in. Good to go. Oh, fuck. There it is. Now it's blowing like a motherfucker. Wasn't blowing that hard earlier. Alright, I'll show you to put these back. Grab your cable. Turn it off so you can hear me. Raise the lid back up. Take this piece, pull it down. There ain't no really good way to get in here. Just like that. Pull it through. That's in. Take this piece here. Slide it. I want to get it above this, and then like that. Push it in, and it pops just in just like that. There you go. And you can see in this video, there was a rat's nest in there, so that's why it wasn't blowing so hard. It was stopping it up. So it could be a blower motor on your car, could be stopped up with a rat's nest or anything in there. Or maybe, I know on a lot of Dodges, driver's side will stay cool, passenger side will get warmer, and there's a blend door down there when you turn the heat and stuff on. It won't actually work, so you have to replace that. I think it's like $25 something. I had to put one in my Dodge because it was blowing cold on one side, blowing warm on the other side. The blend door was the only thing wrong with that. Sometimes it's the blend door, or sometimes one of the tubes in the back rattled off somehow. I'm not sure how it does that. But that's going to be it for this video. I just want you to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.